I've got myself some Handguard extensions from GiVi. I'm going to open up the box and see what's inside. It's give me a bit more protection over the original protections. So we'll open it up to see what we've got. Not a lot, big box. Big box, and let's have a look. Let's put that like that so we can see properly. So yeah, this is the second order, because the first one I ordered was for a BMW. I didn't really check out what I was ordering, so I got it from a company called Motocard. Brilliant service, they've been really good to us, and I sent the wrong order back and I got this one back within a week. So let's have a look at these babies in here. They're going to protect me. But if they weren't here last week, some of you know I went out and got the bike baptised, as it were. So could have done with them. It was pouring with rain. So let's get rid of that piece there. So there's the left and there's a right. So hope these ones are going to fit properly, pardon me. Hope they fit nice. They look cool. Smoky plastic. Cost me around 80 euros, I think, with the return I had to do. So there we go, guys. GiVi handguards for the Crosstourer. Extension handguards, I should say. So we're now going to go and fit them on. Hi there, YouTuber. Well, I'm going to change these GiVi guards now, and or the protections. So we're going to take off the two screws here that hold it all together. We've got some longer ones because we need a little bit more space. Bear with me while I unscrew these bits. Looks like another one there. Too big. Let's try this one. There we go. What's happening here? Tell me it's not the right side. Always scared if you do these too quickly, you can ruin the heads. Like that. That's been ruined, has it? Oh my god. Oh no, it's not ruined, it's loosened. I thought I'd ruined it there for a minute. Anyway, let's get the originals taken away and fallen off like that. That doesn't matter, does it? Eh? And now oh, what was that? Got to get this fitted into there. So that looks like that one goes there. Oh my goodness gracious. That should fit in there perfectly. Oh, it does. Wonders will never die. Okay, so now that I've got a longer screw from there, I'll just have a look at the old instructions, or the destructions. If you know me, it might get broken. So there we put in a small flat washer. There we've got one. So that stays in there. I'm still here, don't worry, I'm not far away. That goes there. One of the smaller ones round the back before we put this bit on. So that just, you probably can't see this, the light's fading. A little black bit goes in there, that one goes on there. Okay, that stops the new piece wobbling around. Right, so that's good. That's that piece. And then I start to screw that back in again. Ooh, it's too long. No, we need another thing. Now we need this one on. Now let's try again. Oops. That bit's just fell off. Anyway, bear with me, man. Hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. Oh my goodness gracious, that bit fell off of there, didn't it? You saw it, I didn't. So, let's see. That bit goes on there. Now then, we're going to change that for a longer one. That's got to have one of these, got a longer big bolt goes in the end of the bars. Yeah, okay. And now we've got a silver thing there, and keep that old thing in there. So where's my silver thing goes? It goes on the outside. I wouldn't have thought so. Let's have a look then. I wouldn't have thought that had gone there, to be honest. I would have thought she would go in there. That's it. It goes in our new piece. And that bit goes back on there like that. That bit's still there. Get on there, you little tikey. Oh. That goes in there. That keeps it in its right place. You see, it stops that plastic shaking about. So that's good. Oh yeah, brilliant. We're getting there. How long's that taken me, man? Not long. It looks pretty cool. Huh? So, what have I got left in there? One long one? That's the old short one? One of them? Well, I seem to be getting it right. Oh, that's a smaller. The new ones are smaller. Let's have a look at the Japs. The old fella. This one. Good old set of old Allen keys there. That's the one. Here we go. Hope you can see this a bit better now. Look at those lovely GiVi extensions to my handguards. Keep my tops of my knuckles warm. I know some of you know where I live, and I don't really need handguards. But I tell you, Saturday, the tops of my hands got absolutely soaked because of the rain that was coming over the top. So, it's pouring with rain again, and we're now well into March. Well, 5 days into March, and it's still raining. So let me now decide if I'm going to really screw that up tight. Huh? You saw that drop and you didn't tell me, did you? So I've got to start again. Dear me, if I can't trust you watching me to give me a little tap on the screen, say, oh, it's fell off. You know what I mean? So let's try again then. That little bit of rubber got to go there. Oh, that's got to go there. And that on there. And then that back on there. And that should hold all together. Lovely. So, right. Nothing missing, I hope, is there? That is the shorter one. That is the one. Ah, right, yeah. Look. I'm missing the big washer. What a bimbo. So here we go again. Take it out again. But this time, it's just the washer. It's going to cover that piece there. That's better. My goodness. Well, I'm not going to bore you doing the second one. I'm going to cut you loose. I'm going to just tighten this up first so you can see how rigid they are. How good. That's it. Up a little bit. Protect me a little bit more. And then, as I said, I'm going to cut you loose. And I'm going to fit the other side. It should be quicker because after it's like building one of these IKEA kitchen units. The first one always takes a long time, but the rest go much quicker. Anyway, there you go, guys. Look at that. Lovely. Hope you enjoyed this short video of me being a bit stupid, but there you go. That's me. That's how I am. I'm happy. I've got my GiVis on. That's fine. Okay then, boys. See you soon.